I love a home that has history. This home has both history and charm. Ida Fletcher used this home as her turtle rescue headquarters, which makes it different and truly one of a kind. Let's call this house the Turtle House. Located in the Fiesta Isle subdivision, this home is right off of Gulf Boulevard and across from the beach. This home is full of surprises and I can't wait to share it with you. From a downstairs blackout game room to built-in bunk beds, let's take a look. Step inside to over 2,300 square feet of beautifully designed living space. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home boasts an open living concept, seamlessly merging classic elegance with contemporary comfort. The inviting layout is perfect for both relaxation and entertaining. Downstairs is the exciting game room, ensuring endless fun for both kids and adults. There are 2 rooms downstairs with built-in bunk beds across the room from the full bed. Downstairs has additional single bed sleeping and access to the backyard. The upstairs living area has so much space. A kitchen with low bar seating, a full dining area, and a large living space with abundant seating. Out back, an entertainer's paradise awaits. A newly built sparkling swimming pool, complete with a hot tub spa, waterfall, and very fun water slide for the kids. This backyard creates the ultimate oasis with a built-in fire pit and a barbecue bar area, which is perfect for hosting unforgettable gatherings under the island sky. Thank you to the listing agent, OCL Garcia with Imperio Real Estate, who is allowing this tour. What a great home to own and then rent out to share the history with others. If you're new to this channel, my name's Denise, and we talk about the real estate here on South Padre Island, Texas. Hit subscribe so you don't miss an update.
I think it's a really cool house. Yeah. I think that it has great possibilities to be turned into a family home if you wanted to put in some money, and I think it could be awesome. I think the location is super great. I'm standing here right now looking at the ocean because I can see it right out those windows across the street.
Yeah.
I think the yard is amazing.
Tons of room back there to do whatever you want to do, and you can set it up any way you want. You could have grassed it if you really wanted to, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Exactly.
I mean, if you landscaped it, it's great, like I said, great possibility.
Besides the special features and charm of this home, it holds a special place in South Padre Island's history. Once serving as the headquarters for the sea turtle rescue efforts by the turtle lady, Ida Fletcher. This home carries a legacy of conservation and care. And now it offers an extraordinary opportunity for a buyer, investor, and beach lover. Don't miss your chance to own this one-of-a-kind slice of paradise. Oh, and if you're interested in history, catch our video about the Historic Museum of South Padre Island, which is up and coming. Until next time, this is Denise signing off from the shores of South Padre Island.